Hello guys, welcome to my channel Unboxing Fun, and today we are going to unbox fridge storage basket. So this is the box that I got from Amazon. So you can see the boxes are very colorful. So the boxes are looks very good and colorful. So I have got these 4 baskets. So these baskets are so colorful, and I have got 4 baskets at the price of around 250 rupees. Though so the prices keep changing on Amazon. I got it from Amazon, so prices keep changing on Amazon. It is an expandable basket. So as you can see, these are expandable baskets, so you can adjust it according to your storage needs. So now let's see how we can use it in the fridge. So in the fridge you can put it like this, and you can even expand it according to your needs, so that you can increase your storage capacity of the fridge. See, so it is so useful product to use. So guys, if you want to buy this product, the link is in the description box. And if you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you soon. Bye.